Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another iron-on t-shirt design. I've got three colors here, black, red, and white. This is an inspirational quote, but it kind of has a bit of a twist, so let's get started. Okay, got everything weeded out. I am putting this on a Bella canvas shirt. So there's the shirt there. I know it's purple, not a color you would think to kind of put this design on, but I've had this one for a while, sitting in my supply section of my craft room, and been trying to figure out what I want to put on it, and today I'm putting that design on. Just grabbing my sticky roller. Okay, so this will be pressed the exact same way as my last video. A couple seconds for the first two layers, then 15 seconds for the last layer. Just heating everything up here, getting the moisture out of the shirt. Okay, so the main layer, the black layer, will go on first, then the white layer, and then the red layer. So I'm just giving this a pinch to get the center best I can. So that's about the center there. Just got to grab my proper sizing guy. Accidentally grabbed the one for the back of the shirt, or I need the one for the front of the shirt, wherever I might have put it. There it is. What do we think of that? That's my machine yelling at me. Yeah, I'm gonna leave them like that. Do the first press. Just because we got the letters in this one, I'm going to do the 5 seconds. And I can see the fabric of the shirt popping through. It's a warm peel, so we'll give it a second to cool off. Okay, I'm giving it a few seconds. Bottom is peeling very nicely. Top not quite as nice, but it's still peeling up. So never give up on your dreams, right? Put that one back on. That should be enough for the white layer. I can pull that layer off, put him to the side, and we'll give the white layer a chance to dry. Sorry, cool off. Okay, let's take a peek. It's coming off nice. One more layer to go. Looks centered. This layer back on. This is the full 15 seconds on this press. So again, using 2 hands, putting my weight behind this. I want all the layers to stick well. The red and white should be fine because they're sticking to more iron-on. We are going to get a bit of a line in the white, but that's okay. That's just going to happen. Oh, I got a little bit of hair that was on there, but he's gone. Okay. So let's flip him over. Do the back side. You could flip the shirt inside out. I'm not too worried. The heat press is pretty good at getting the heat out there. Do another 15 seconds. There we go. Be like Jason, never give up on your dreams. Just keep going and going and going. So, this one's all done. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.